So today I was working on two main things, making sure that we have clean replayability of missions and fixing some of the NPC vision stuff. And for the most part, that's gone really well. So I'll just go ahead and jump into the mission, and we'll skip it. We're gonna technically cheat on the mission so I can show the aspect of the system that's working, that we've gotten into place today. So as you start into the level, you're free to roam and all that stuff. You can't deposit anything because you don't have anything. I fixed some of the flow for this, so you have to go steal stuff first. If we like break into the house and steal a candy bar, just to show the effect of this, you are unable to leave until you steal a mission item. So if we break into the house and we take these beer cans and we throw them into the back of the truck, it's still not going to let us leave because we have to obtain the mission item, which I'll now do by simply moving it down here for the sake of time. So up here is the computer that you're going to steal for this mission. And I'll go ahead and move it down next to the player so that I can grab it. So the idea will be, you'll steal the computer from the house, you'll throw it in the back of your truck, you go to leave. And that's it for your mission. Like, as far as that goes, that's the intended workflow. And then you'll return to the main menu where you started. So now you're driving around again. And what I'd like to do is change the contents in the back of the truck to like reflect the items you've stolen and stuff like that. And now when you open up Thief Chat, there's a mission history, and you can actually go and look at your mission, and you can see that like, oh, I stole cans that were worth $11. I stole a computer tower that was worth $2,000. The average worth got me a bunch of points. The items stolen got me some points. I didn't make any mistakes, and I got all of the required items, so I got an A overall. And if I want to, I can just replay that mission. In this case, I'll hit the back button to make sure that works. And it does. So then we could theoretically go on our next mission and all that stuff. But for the case of showing what I also did, now we can select that mission and we'll go back to it again. So the idea is going to be that once you complete the mission, you're not going to be able to play it again through the text messages. Like, the text message will then disable that one because you've actually played it. And this will be like an optional way to replay the mission. But yeah, I think it's gone really well today. And then I've also worked on a little bit of the NPC vision stuff. So if we go and look at the NPC that's running around in this building really quickly, previously it basically could walk right by us without detecting us, but now I've got it so it actually sees us very easily. So if we just stand right here, they'll come out of their home in just their bedroom in just a moment, and they should immediately see us, and they'll go and run, and they will call on some guards that will then, for now, just pop in. But pretty soon I'll have a little animation. They drive up in a vehicle and they go through the building and search it. And I can kind of show that process a little bit for anybody who's curious. And they actually go through and map out their paths. If there's a door in the way, they'll open the door. So for example, one of them's eventually going to try and path into the kitchen here. And when they do that, they will open the door on their way. Yep, there we go. This one's chosen to go into the kitchen. And okay, so yeah, we've still got that issue. Oh, but this guy did it. So for whatever reason, I've still got an issue of them kind of getting hung up. But for the most part, things are working. And the vision system is working. But I'm still working out a little bit of the logic as far as opening doors. And then you can see one of them actually caught me because I was just standing out in front of the door. But yeah, that's what I've been working on today. And hopefully tomorrow I can tackle the issues with NPC vision and, well, not the issues with vision, but the issues with going through the doors, because they're still getting kind of stuck for some reason. I'll try to figure out why that is. But either way, that's the progress report of the day.